How to fix if missed call notification is not showing up. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone. Then you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button, which is located on top right corner of your screen, and search apps and notification. After you search apps and notification, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on apps and notification, then click on phone. Then go to notification. Scroll all the way down till you find missed calls. You'll find missed calls below background processing. Make sure it's in important and pop on screen is turned on. Then go back. Then click on bubbles. Make sure it's in all conversation can bubble. And that's how you fix missed call notification not showing. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.